Doing things the right way is the cornerstone of everything that we do at Forever. We hold ourselves to a higher standard because we believe in truly helping people all over the world look better and feel better. This includes seeking out certifications that ensure that you can be confident in the quality and purity you receive in every product. Forever's products were the first to receive the International Aloe Science Council (IASC) seal of approval. The IASC represents truth in labeling of aloe vera products, ensures that the aloe used in a product comes from a certified source, and most importantly, guarantees purity and potency. We are incredibly proud that all of our products with the concentration of aloe required by the IASC for certification have received this designation. Many of our products are halal certified. This certification, provided by the Islamic Food and Nutrition Council of America, IFANCA, indicates that halal-certified products are produced using preparation and ingredients that meet the standards of the halal lifestyle. In addition to halal certification, many of our products are also kosher certified. This certification ensures that kosher-certified products, the raw materials used in them, and the related manufacturing practices meet the standards of the kosher lifestyle. These globally recognized certifications ensure that these products can be taken confidently and signifies Forever's commitment to meeting the varying needs of our customers around the world. In addition, many of Forever's products are free of ingredients derived from animal sources, making them suitable for vegetarians and vegans. And the vast majority of our products are gluten-free. Forever is a Leaping Bunny certified company, indicating that our products have not been tested on animals. By controlling our own plant-to-product process and only partnering with trusted suppliers, we are able to ensure that everything that goes into our packaging, from raw ingredients to finished goods, are cruelty-free. At our manufacturing facilities, we boast several ISO certifications, including ISO 9001 for quality management, ISO 14001 for managing the enhancement of environmental processes, ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety, and ISO 17025 certification, a designation usually reserved only for third-party labs. But our certifications don't just guarantee purity, potency, and good manufacturing practices. They also ensure that we follow ethical business standards and remain at the forefront of our industry. Forever is a member of the Direct Selling Association. This global organization upholds the high standards and legal expectations for the direct sales industry, ensuring that all member organizations adhere to fair and ethical practices for business. These certifications are just a few of the ways that Forever shows our commitment to doing things the right way, so you can be confident that what you get out of our products is every bit as good as what we put in.